Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. In this rather beautiful, shiny black packaging is a product which I've been sent to unbox and install and review. And let me tell you that I am extremely grateful for this product because it is exactly what I need in my home at the moment. And I suppose you could argue that every home in the country might need this. And this is a product which can protect you. It can make you feel safe. On occasions, it might entertain you. And I suppose we could say that this is almost a necessary evil in this day and age. Now, of course, I'm sure you already know what's in these boxes, especially if you've seen the thumbnail for this video and read the title. But let me just point out that these three items came in a larger box. And one of my pet hates is when you buy something and it doesn't come with all the kit that you need to make it work. I can see on this envelope that it says 64GB memory card. So this does come with its own memory card. And I've got a glass tray here. I'm going to call this my bits and bobs tray, and everything that comes out of these boxes that I might lose, I shall place in that glass tray for safekeeping. Now in this video, it's my intention to get everything out of the boxes, lay it on the table and see what we've got. Then I'm going to read the instructions and see how easy it is to set up and install. And then I will take this outside and I will install it, and when we use it, we'll see how easy it is to use and whether it can be used remotely, what it looks like on a phone, and what kind of images it transmits. And one of the things I'm particularly excited about this is I'm about to go on holiday, and I think if I read this thing right, I can install this and I can go anywhere in the world and see what this camera is seeing right outside my front door. Okay, so let's do what I said we were going to do, which is get inside this box. We got it's a bit like Christmas, isn't it? I suppose. Well, we've got a little blue box there. I have a feeling there's something inside there, but we'll come back to that in a moment. Some protective foam, put that to one side, and here we have the item itself, a small white box. Again, we'll come back to that in a moment. And now, oh, now that is quite heavy. I'm just going to very carefully place that on the table there, and I'm just going to check to see if there's anything else. It's one of those bags that absorbs moisture. Another bit of foam protection and an empty box. Right, so here is the camera itself, designed by Reolink. Okay, we're going to have to come back to that and do a bit of exploring. What's in this box? Now, empty, a bracket. Clearly that is going to fit there. On this side of it, if I can remove it again, is going to be attached to the wall. What do we attach to the wall with? Well, there is a set of roll plugs and screws and a couple of nuts and bolts in here. What's in this box? Some stickers. Protected by Reolink 24-hour video surveillance. They'll be useful because these things are a deterrent as much as anything else, aren't they? So you get some stickers to put around your property to make people aware that they are being watched and recorded. Okay, operational instructions. That's now empty, so that can go out of sight. Some warm tips. I don't know what that means, but we'll see in a moment. And then a little template which you can put on your wall to help you position your screws accurately. That's wonderful. All these things are brilliant for me because the last thing you want is something going wrong when you're fitting this. I think fitting and installation is one of the things that worries me most about these things. So anything that can help me in that regard is useful. Oh, look at that. A little aerial. Presumably, and I will know shortly because I will read the instructions, presumably that so that it can connect to your Wi-Fi, which would be nearby, and then transmit the images around the world. Now, I understand that these also connect to 4G, so it might be that you don't necessarily need to have this so close to your Wi-Fi. Now that is rotating. Now that's interesting. That's a feature I didn't know it had. And the camera is also rotating. Perhaps it's just so that you can position it. I don't know whether it moves in reality, but we will soon see. There's a protective screen over the lens here. I think that's really quite attractive. And my house is a 400-year-old black and white timber frame cottage. That will sit quite discreetly on the white brickwork. And it will be almost invisible. Right. I need to read the instructions and I need to come back to you with my conclusions. Then we need to install it, probably install an app, and we need to get it running. Okay, I'll see you in a moment. Right, well, I'm back and I've read the instructions and I've got it going. It took me all of about 2 minutes. It's really straightforward. I have a bit of a fear of getting things like this going. I think I must have had a bad experience in the past or something, but it gives me cold sweats. But I needn't have worried because the instructions were very easy to use. Let me just talk you through what I did. Firstly, this is quite a thick instruction manual. There's only about 7 pages in each language. There's about 7 languages covered. You charge it up first. You plug it in and charge it up. Now mine has got a solar panel and you can use that to charge it up if you want to. I've gone for the option of plugging it into the wall to charge it up. It has a long life battery. I think I read somewhere that it's a 100-day battery. So if you get one without a solar panel, it will still work for 100 days. Give or take a few days, I'm sure. Mine has the added backup of continuously charging when it's light using this solar panel. Right, once you turn it on, it tells you, the camera starts talking and it tells you to download the app.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
The other alternative you've got is you can read the instructions. And you download the app by scanning a QR code. And the QR code is in this booklet. You basically point your phone at that and it downloads the app for you. You download the app, you open the app, and then it tells you to pair your device, and you pair your device by pointing the app at another QR code here. It's really that straightforward. It does it all itself. And then you need to connect your Wi-Fi. If you want to play back, you have to put the memory card in. There's a little slot here. You put the memory card in there. That is it, set up. Now I can look at my phone, which is actually recording this video, and see what this can see. And it records it on that memory card so I can play it back and I can download it. So my overall impression so far is really very, very good indeed. Of course, there is a link to this product in the description box below this video if you want to buy it. But what we really want to do is get this installed. That's connecting to my Wi-Fi. So we've lost the light for today, but tomorrow morning I'm going to get up the ladder and show you how to install this. Whilst I think on, there is a strap here. That is so that you can install it to a tree if you want to. I'm not going to install mine to a tree. I'm going to install it to the front of the house, and I'll be able to see anything that happens in my front garden whilst I'm away on holiday, or anywhere for that matter. Hope you've enjoyed that. I'm quite excited about tomorrow morning when I get outside and install this on my wall using wall plugs. And then I will get some footage and share that with you. And the link to that video will be in the description box below this video, alongside the link to how you can purchase this Pretty nice looking product. I'll see you soon for some more solar powered CCTV remote adventures. Bye for now.